Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just playing around tonight with a little design, and I'm not 100% pleased with it, but it might give you some ideas for some other items. So what you can do, let me get to more of the center of the page, and I'm going to take a square, just a rectangle, and I am going to have my ratio unlocked, and I'm going to make this like 7, 7, 7. So I round it off. That's too much. Let's go 6, 6, 6. So you've kind of got a shape like that. So now we're going to bring in some indexing lines, and I'm going to hit P, because we don't want to rotate it from the exact center. So we're going to set this right there, and I'm going to have my nudge factor on 9. I'm going to go up and over. So that's going to give me an equal space from the center. So on this one, it's going to be a little bit less of a dark line. And you could really eliminate some of these steps, but I'm going to go through them all. Control D and make a duplicate. Click on your rotation and make it from the center of the page. And rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Then you just kind of use your imagination with this virtual segment delete key and, delete that line, delete that line, delete that line. So you've deleted that line, so you need to delete that line. You've deleted that line, so you need to delete that line. And then you need to delete that line. And we'll go ahead and delete these 2 lines. Why does that look different? There we go. That's what we wanted. Now we want to take a 2-point line from the center outwardly. Okay? So I already see, well, that's going to work. And there's a couple ways you could do it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it the way I did it. Set your center rotation on that node and rotate it. Well, Control make a duplicate. I didn't make a duplicate, but I did. So now you have a line down the middle. And I'm beginning to think I need to delete the other lines too, because I just want that square. There we go. That looks pretty cool. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill in that. Now I'm going to take our interactive fill tool and I'm going to go see what happened. I had one not selected, so I did that. So I'm going to select that one. Interactive fill tool, and maybe call that good, and then take your pick tool and select that one, interactive fill tool. And what my original plan was to kind of have a separation line, like it's a line right there. Now what you can do is grab that one, hold down the shift, grab that one, go up to object and group it. Now we can take that group, Control D, and duplicate it, and we'll move our rotation to the center. There's a lot going on in the center, so you need to make sure you're there. We're there. So I'm going to go 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. That alone looks pretty good. We can take away our outline with the left click. But it's very easy to change the colors, and I'll just show you how. So we're going to select this one, go to our interactive fill tool, and we get both colors. So let's just start playing, and let's go a light blue. Well, we'll go ahead and see how it looks. I really want a lighter color in the center. Let's go to a red. See, I'm just duplicating. The clone tool in this case just wouldn't work because of the fact that you can only clone You can't change them all like this. And then just grab the next one, interactive fill tool, and you get you're getting both interactive fill tools there. So let's go with a purple, and then maybe well, you know, the white doesn't look too bad, but we'll go and add a light purple. Nah, it's kind of the same color. Let's go with a lighter color. See, I'm actually on that one. So, because it's past there, I was looking at the wrong spot. And then just do one more, and I've kind of run out of colors, but interactive fill tool, and let's go and get that's not a very attractive green. Let's go green in the middle. Trust me, I'll change it to a darker green on the outside, so it won't be so, well, evidently that's the same color. Maybe put a lighter color. Yeah, there we go. So put that darker color on the outside and that lighter color on the inside. I'm doing the same thing. It's because it's past there, I'm changing the wrong one. Not real happy about the colors, and I do like my new one better with the smaller square. And then you could always, it is a square type shape, so you could get the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Anyway, kind of a fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.